Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to enhance your voice command system on your Audi A4S forever.
We are sitting in a car on the driver's side, the ignition is on, and we are going to train our speech command system. That means if we like to operate with or to communicate and operate by voice with our car, you can push that button here. And then, for example, drive me to Cologne. And it will be...
Please repeat your command.
Okay, you see, the command was not so good responded to me. So we are going now, stop, and then we are going to make a training. Because after the training, it is much better that your commands be in a better syntax with your car. Okay, let's perform this. This we are going to make in the multimedia interface. Ignition should be on, and then we have here the navigation stuff. We can use this joystick to go up and down, choose by pushing it, go back to go one step back, or you can go to left side to a syntax, right side to a syntax, right button or left button, the same stuff. And of course you can go to menu, back on the menu in the main street. Okay, here we are. Let's now have a way to the training. We go down to the settings. You can see language, date, time, measurement units, and speech dialogue system. Let's go to that. You see now you can make the settings of the MMI. Command display, short dialogue. If you like, you can choose the volume level here.
Speech dialogue system volume.
So you can set this as you like. And then individual speech training. So the individual speech training improves the recognition in the speech dialogue system. Okay, let's do that. We'll start individual speech training. Then before you can start this, we should reset individual speech training because the owner of the car before is individual in this speech training done, of course, because the system learns over the time too. So we should, if you like to perform a new one, to reset the individual. Yes, reset now. And then, of course, after this reset is done, we can start this.
Starting individual speech training. Please say the following 20 commands and numerical sequences in one go after the beep. Enter special destination.
Let's start. Enter a special destination.
Navigate to John Smith.
Navigate to John Smith.
Next restaurant.
Next a restaurant.
Enter address.
Enter address.
Next filling station.
Next filling station.
Enter destination.
Enter destination.
Call John Smith's business number.
Call John Smith business number.
Dictate text message to John Smith.
Dictate text message to John Smith.
Dictate email to John Smith.
Dictate an email to John Smith.
Call list.
Call list.
Call mailbox.
Call mailbox.
Redial.
Redial.
Enter number.
Enter number.
Frequency 88.9.
Frequency 88.9.
Station BBC Radio 2.
Station BBC Radio 2.
Favorites.
Favorites.
FM.
FM.
Random playback.
Random playback.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The individual speech training has been completed successfully. The system is now optimized for your voice.
Godlike. So, now it's done, and we try this again. Let's go to the menu, for example, and then let's start. Drive me to Cologne.
I'm afraid this function is unavailable in the country Germany.
Oh,
What would you like to do? Please say enter address, enter special destination, or navigate to John Smith.
navigate to Berlin?
Where would you like to go? To an address, to a special destination, or to a contact in the directory?
Special destination.
Please say the category of the special destination.
Petrol station.
Searching for petrol station in immediate vicinity. Please say the
Okay.
line number.
Stop. You see, it works. Huh? It really works much better than before. And this makes it possible that you can communicate with your car better than before. So, take your time and make this training if you're a new owner of that beautiful car here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's it.